Are you ready to spice up your culinary adventures? Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of peppers, with 22 essential varieties that every cook should know about. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, get ready to add some flavor and heat to your dishes. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. Consumption of peppers, particularly those with higher heat levels, should be approached with caution. Peppers vary widely in their spiciness, and individual tolerance levels may differ. Individuals with existing medical conditions or sensitivities should consult with a healthcare professional before consuming spicy foods. Let's jump right in. First on the list, bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers or sweet bell peppers, are characterized by their large size and vibrant colors, ranging from green to red, and sometimes purple. Unlike hot peppers, bell peppers are not spicy. They are commonly used to add color and sweetness to various recipes and are particularly popular when stuffed. 2. Banana peppers, also known as yellow wax peppers, are medium-sized peppers known for their tangy and mild flavor profile. They boast a bright yellow color, lending them their distinctive name. As they ripen, they tend to become sweeter. Banana peppers are often served pickled and are valued not only for their flavor, but also as an excellent source of vitamin C. 3. Cherry peppers, also known as pimento or pimiento peppers, are characterized by their heart-shaped appearance. Despite being mildly spicy, they are often used in dishes like pimento cheese, and are commonly sold pickled in jars. It's also an ingredient to the Syracuse, New York, pasta specialty chicken riggies. 4. Hatch peppers, also known as New Mexico chilies, are a staple in the region of Hatch, New Mexico. Characterized by a slight pungency reminiscent of onion, these peppers boast a subtle spiciness and a distinct smoky flavor. Grown in the Hatch Valley along the Rio Grande River, they are highly prized for their quality and unique taste. 5. Anaheim peppers, also known as New Mexico chilies, share similarities with New Mexican peppers, but are grown outside of New Mexico. They offer a moderate level of spiciness, falling between the mildness of bell peppers and the heat of habaneros. Anaheim peppers are commonly found in grocery stores either canned as green peppers or dried as red peppers. 6. Shishito peppers, also known as shishito garashi or kwari gochu, are East Asian peppers typically harvested while green. They possess a slightly bitter flavor with mild heat, with approximately 1 in 10 shishito peppers being spicy. These peppers are often served charred or blistered, although they can also be enjoyed raw. 7. Chillica peppers, also known as posilla when dried, are characterized by their wrinkled appearance and mild spiciness. They possess a unique prune-like flavor with black-colored flesh. When dried, they are often combined with fruits to create flavorful sauces. 8. Poblano peppers, originating from Puebla, Mexico, are large green peppers known for their versatility. While relatively mild, especially when unripe, they increase in heat as they mature. Poblanos are commonly roasted, stuffed, or incorporated into mole sauces, and when dried, they are referred to as ancho peppers. 9. Hungarian wax peppers, also known as hot yellow peppers, share a resemblance with banana peppers in appearance but pack significantly more heat. Known for their spiciness and floral aroma, they are integral to Hungarian cuisine, often used alongside paprika, which they are sometimes used to produce. 10. Mirasol peppers, originating in Mexico, are mildly spicy peppers commonly found in their dried form as guajillo peppers. They are versatile, used in marinades, rubs, and salsas. While raw, they offer a tangy and fruity flavor, but when dried, their taste becomes richer. 11. Fresno peppers, relatives of Anaheim and Hatch peppers, are native to New Mexico but are also grown throughout California. While green when unripe, they transition to orange and red as they mature. With a high ratio of flesh to skin, they are ideal for stuffing. Red Fresnos are less flavorful but spicier than jalapenos, making them perfect for adding a kick to dishes. 12. Jalapeno peppers, also known as chipotle when smoke-dried, are Mexican chilies harvested while still green, though they may turn red as they ripen. These peppers are commonly used in salsas, offering a moderate level of spiciness and a subtle fruity flavor. They are versatile and can be used to add a kick to dishes like tacos. 13. Serrano peppers are known for being spicier than jalapenos and are commonly used in Mexican cuisine, where they are native. Despite their small size, they pack a punch in terms of heat. Their fleshiness makes them an excellent addition to salsa and other dishes where a spicy flavor is desired. 14. Cayenne peppers, also known as finger chilies, are commonly recognized in their dried form, which is a popular spice in many kitchens. They are a key ingredient in chili powder, although it's worth noting that chili powder is a blend of spices and not a single type of chili. 15. Bird's eye peppers, also known as Thai chilies, are commonly used in Asian cuisines. Despite their small size, they pack a significant punch in terms of heat. These small red chilies are versatile and are used in various dishes, such as sambals, sauces, marinades, stir-fries, soups, and salads. They are available both fresh and dried. Despite their undeniable spiciness, they also offer a fruity flavor, provided you can tolerate the heat. 16. Peri-peri, also known as peri-peri, is commonly referred to as African bird's eye pepper. These Portuguese peppers may be small, but they pack a powerful punch. They are most famous for their use in creating the acidic and spicy African hot sauce known as peri-peri sauce. 17. Habanero peppers are small, orange peppers renowned for their extreme spiciness. However, they are also prized for their flavorful and aromatic qualities, boasting a floral aroma. These peppers are commonly used in hot sauces and salsas, and they are particularly popular in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula and throughout the Caribbean. 18. Scotch bonnets, also known as Bonnie pepper or Caribbean red pepper, are distinct from habaneros despite their similar appearance. They share the habanero spiciness but possess a sweeter flavor and a distinct stout shape. Popular in Caribbean cuisine, Scotch bonnets are essential to jerk seasoning and derive their name from the flat Scottish hat, called a tammy, which they resemble. 19. Tabasco peppers are primarily recognized as the base for Tabasco hot sauce. They are distinctive for being the only type of chili pepper that is juicy on the inside rather than dry. When used in Tabasco hot sauce, their heat is significantly tempered by the addition of vinegar. 20. Rocoto peppers, also known as hairy peppers, are large peppers that resemble bell peppers but pack a surprising punch, almost as spicy as habaneros. They come in shades of orange, red, and yellow and feature striking black seeds on the inside. Due to their size, they contain a lot of crisp flesh, making them popularly used in salsas. 21. Ghost peppers, also known as bacjalokia, strike fear into even the hearts of heat lovers. They are exceptionally hot, measuring 100 times hotter than a jalapeno and a staggering 400 times hotter than Tabasco sauce. Native to northeastern India, ghost peppers are used sparingly in dishes such as curries, pickles and chutneys, as even a small amount can provide an intense level of heat. Last but not least, Pein peppers, also known as Pekin, are characterized by their tiny size and extreme heat. They are commonly utilized in pickling, salsas, sauces, and vinegars. If you've ever tasted Cholula hot sauce, you've experienced the flavor of a Pein pepper. Beyond their spiciness, they are described as having citrusy and nutty undertones in taste. And there you have it, 22 diverse peppers to spice up your culinary creations. Remember to handle spicy peppers with care, and feel free to experiment with different varieties to discover your favorite flavors. Thanks for joining us on this pepper journey. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos like this.